Fun fact number 27, which I'm recording for like the fourth time because I've gone off on so many tangents and had to write more stuff down to remember to talk about. But it's fun fact number 27. We're going to be, it's really deep thoughts, my 2 cents, but we'll just call it fun fact for now. I think it can be fun. Anyway, fun fact number 27 is music and math and language. Language is limiting. Here I am trying to talk about something with words in English, which really limits the communication. Communication is very important in this world. We can communicate in a lot of different ways, but the most popular way is to use words, which are limiting, which I talked about in labels. Everything in the physical world vibrates. It vibrates. It has a frequency. It makes music. Everything, this desk, that's solid wood, is moving very slowly and creating a frequency which creates music, but we don't hear everything and we don't see everything. And that's a truth. Scientifically, it's a truth, and even metaphysically, it's a truth. We don't know everything, and we don't see or hear everything. But all around us, the world that we live in is creating music that we can't hear sometimes. But sometimes we can feel the vibrations, right? The atoms moving in the air. We can feel, and a feeling is part of truth. If somebody says you're angry and you're not, that's a lie. And the truth is what you really are feeling, which is sad. That nobody can tell you that your feelings are wrong, how you feel, because that's the base of truth and that's the base of vibrations. But atoms are moving, and music is a constant language and a common language throughout the world, throughout the universe, and even on the other side, which I'll discuss at another time. So vibrations are happening all around you right now, and music is being made. But even if you're not thinking about it at that level, music, when you play an instrument and you go to another country, they're not going to give you a translation of the music. The music is the music. The notes are the notes. The rhythm is the rhythm. I can read music here and I can read music in Russia. It's all the same. It's all common. It's a common language. And you can play music and create vibrations that can make somebody feel something and understand your meaning. So that's why music is a common language. It's everywhere, and at least on this planet, it's written the same way anywhere you go. So if you want to communicate with somebody and let them know something, music is huge. Music has a basis in math, and anywhere you go, no matter how they write it, 2 plus 2 will always equal what 2 plus 2 equals. It's a way to communicate. Everybody counts. Everybody counts. I have 5 of these. It's a limiting factor, but it's a constant. The off, the on, the day, the night, the life, the death, the 0, the 1 in computer programming. Those are constants. So numbers or mathematics. Somebody in Russia can create a mathematical equation about proving the existence of God, and somebody in America can look at that mathematical equation and find an error or find the truth in the numbers. The truth in music and the truth in numbers is usually very, very clear. And we can usually communicate with anybody with mathematics and music. And they're related. They're very related. They have found that children who pick up an instrument and learn music tend to be better at math. So, because you're always counting in music to make sure you're in the right place. So, and there's different ways to count and different rhythms. So it makes it easier to understand math. So math and music are beautiful languages that we can use to communicate with each other. But music more so because of the construct of our world being physical and the atoms moving to create different things and different combinations. That is music. And so I would say maybe I shouldn't be talking. Maybe I should just be going la 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 you. Well, I don't know what that meant to you, but it just kind of felt good. So feelings, music, math, 1, 2, 3, baby. That's how it is. And so in the 60s, when the hippies said, good vibrations, let's work on that one. Love good vibrations. And it was a truth. Even though a lot of people didn't take them seriously scientifically, it's a truth. Metaphysically, it's a truth. Vibrating world. Let's create good vibrations. And I think that's the end of music, math, and language. I think I did good this time. What do you think? Comment. Subscribe. What's something else you could do? What do you do? Ask a question. I love being challenged. Challenge me. Yes, challenge me. Yes. High five. Good times. Ciao, bellas.